Okay, you guys, you know when you want to do something and it takes you forever to just sit down and do it because everything keeps not going your way? I just had that issue. My chair fell apart. I couldn't find a mirror. I couldn't get situated. I couldn't find my lighter to light my candle. I just couldn't do it, and I don't know why. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Micaylah if you're new here, and if you are new here, please subscribe at the button down below. If not, welcome back. Today we're just going to be playing in some makeup. I'm very out of breath and I don't know why. Definitely got some new stuff here I cannot wait to get my hands on. I'm a little bit hot. Need to take this thing off my wrist. Yes, we got some new stuff to play with, like about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-ish things that I have not played with yet. This will be like a chatty tutorial kind of thing. Like maybe not a tutorial, just like pretty much just sitting down playing with makeup. I want to do this a lot more because I used to do this all the time in my makeup stuff. Like I'm tired of starting with one eye. Like why do I always start with one eye? Like should just like, you know, create something or talk about some products, you know, why not? So I want to be different in 2019. Leave me comments down below what you want to see in 2019 because I really need help making content. But I'm also not just trying to make content you guys want to see. I want to do stuff that I like to do too. So definitely keep on lookout for different things coming. But first I want to get a shout out to my homeboy. Like this two-piece has been my favorite since I got it and I've been wearing it. Oh, forever quality. I'll put a picture right here of what it looks like on. Like this is so comfortable and it's so good to just lay around the house. I wore it when I was sick with the sweat, like, and I was just, it helped a lot. But I really just want to give him a shout out because I really love his company. Very proud of him. Go ahead, Mocha, you got this. Keep going, and y'all go buy some stuff from Mocha. Okay, all right, I'm gonna start with brows, and I have been loving the Gimme Brow, Precisely My Brow. Like guys, these two together are like my favorite in the world, and these are both in shade 4. I love Benefit because they have a whole bunch of different shades and they're all like really easy for me to like play with because I have different hair color. So I'm like having so much fun changing up my brow color. So first I usually go in with Gimme Brow so I can have like a shape to follow because I don't really fill in my whole brow with Precisely My Brow because of the fact that it's not really needed, to be honest. If you really want to be honest, filling in your whole brow is not needed unless you really just like that bold brow. You go ahead, girl. But I've learned that filling in my whole brow is definitely just not needed and it takes up way too much time. Look at the difference between my brows just by adding Gimme Brow. Like, I might just keep it like that today. I don't know. Probably. Maybe. Let's see. We'll see. Maybe I'll like do the tail with Gimme Brow. I mean, Precisely My Brow. But yeah, I've been loving these. I am on their Benefit Club pink stuff, but if I wasn't anymore, I would definitely still purchase these. I mean, I'm pretty stocked up. They stocked us up pretty well. But yeah, I've been loving Benefit brow products. Like if you are like all about your brows, I freaking dare you to splurge on Benefit and you'll fall in love. I feel very good about 2019. A lot of stuff in my life has changed. I'm not open to talk about it yet. Just know your girl's trying to focus on herself. Sorry, I can't really do this while talking, which is like honestly why I never do my brows on camera. Kind of take a little bit long, but you see how easy that was, like, and it's just like I'm just filling in the tail. I'm gonna do face first just to change it up. So I have been loving the COVERGIRL True Blend Base Business primers. I love the neutralizing one and this one actually. So this one is the pore minimizing one, and I really have been loving this one. This one has been bomb. Like, I don't know, they smell good. I don't know, but I really like smells and stuff. If you don't like smells, you probably ain't gonna like this one because this one's kind of strong. But it's really smoothing. It's not like silicone-y. It's more of like a lotion smooth, but it does do what it says it's supposed to do. The green one is really good for redness. Like that one really tints your face. I'm not even gonna front. Usually green primers will be like, it blends into nothing. That one really neutralizes your skin tone. She wanted the Fenty Gloss Bomb so bad, so I was like, I think I'm gonna get it for her, but I'm not sure yet. Do you deserve it? Let me see them grades, girl. Oh, and I did prep my skin by washing it. I just came from the gym, so I wanted to wash my face because I'm gonna film this and then jump in the shower and go to bed. But I did wash my face with the peel and polish. You're supposed to do this after you wash your face, but I just use it as like, you know, a quick exfoliant. I have been doing this thing where I conceal before I put on my foundation. I've been loving, I just picked up the light one because I really want to use it under my eyes, but I've been loving the e.l.f. HD concealer. just know they run really dark. Like this is a shade light, this is a shade medium, but I've really been loving these. I had a really bad breakout. I don't know why, probably because of stress. So I'm just gonna conceal all these little dark spots and let it sit for a second so it can really, like, you know, do its thing, conceal and stuff. So that's what we're gonna do. I did use the Marina palette in my last video, so definitely go check that out. But I'm gonna let this sit there, and while we're setting, I got two foundations today. I got the Fenty Pro Filter foundation. This is a shade 300. I went a shade lighter than I would because I heard this oxidizes really bad. Then I got the Too Faced. About this, I really wanted the Too Faced that peach powder, the setting powder. I wanted that one so bad, but I went to two Sephora's that we had in our mall. Neither one have it. So I'm guessing it's a really good powder, so I'm gonna snatch it up next time I'm in Sephora. But I was like, let me just try this. So they had one more foundation in my shade. This is the shade Warm Beige, and this is a Too Faced Perfect Peach Comfort Matte Foundation infused with peach and sweet fig, transfer resistant and medium coverage. It's oil free, 14-hour wear, oil controlling, photo friendly, and shine free. And then this one is a soft matte long wear foundation from Fenty by Rihanna. I think I'm gonna go in with, I'm gonna save that Fenty one for like whenever I can tell y'all. Let me start blending this out. But I can tell y'all, so I can tell y'all how it wears. I'm so hyped up, so I really want to like put that to the test. So I might wear it tomorrow for work because I do work 10.5-hour shifts. So basically I'll be wearing it for 12 hours. Let's see how dark medium is. Like, that is so dark to be medium. Like, e.l.f., if they can get their shades right with this concealer, they would have like I would swear by this concealer. But this is because their shades are so iffy. Like, if you're any lighter than me, that concealer is not going to work on you. But let's just go ahead and open up this foundation. It's a pump in a squeezy tube. This looks so good. It's like a little bit watery if you see, but I'm so intrigued by this foundation. That is a perfect color match. I hope it doesn't oxidize. It smells like peaches, guys. I'm gonna use the Eco blending sponge to blend this into my skin. It smells so good. It smells like those, you know, those peach rings, like the 90s peach rings, like not the new ones, not the trolley ones, like the 90s ones, the true peach rings. That's what it smells like. This is a pretty foundation. Like, I feel like my mom might like this foundation, so I might go take her to get it. My first impression of this foundation, I freaking love it. Like, I love how it's setting. It doesn't set too quick. It's not like sinking down to my pores. It's not sitting on top of my face. You guys, gotta fix this eyebrow over here. I am impressed. I didn't think I was gonna like a Too Faced foundation because the Born This Way, I know that's like a foundation that I only use in videos. It don't attach to my skin. Like, I swear it just sits on top of my skin. Ooh, goodness, I like this. I do. I think I did some. Okay, so we're gonna go with a light concealer, the HD lifting concealer from e.l.f. Now, you guys, this concealer is so pretty. Yes, thank you, Jesus. Like, I hate how freaking dark these run. Like, they run so dark. And I like these little mini Real Technique sponges for under my eyes. And this foundation, oh my god. I think I just like did something with the foundation and concealer combination. My skin looks so good in real life right now. Or even set. Let's just go ahead and cream contour our cheeks. I'm using this Catrice Prime and Fine Contour Stick. And this is the shade Medium.
What does my sister want?
I like when people text you, did you eat? Like, do you really care about me that much? Like, this stick is so creamy. Like, oop. Gotta get rid of that 5 head. I'm sorry, you guys. I was just sick. I'm gonna get my tonsils out finally after all this time of being sick. Don't judge me. Just pray for me. Pray for me. I will definitely let you guys know when I'm going to get it out because I will not be filming. I'm using the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder and setting my under eyes. Sorry, you guys, I cannot set my face without being all up in the mirror. Okie dokie, so I really want to do a chocolatey smoky eye, but I think I'm gonna play with my face first just to be all out of order. Okay, guys, I found this in Walmart and I was like, dang, because I've been wanting to try the butter collection from Physicians Formula, so I found this. It is a little limited edition collection. It was like 12 bucks, and it comes, I don't know if this is like a holiday thing or what, but it comes with a bronzer, a blush, and 2 highlights that are limited edition, and a fragrance. And I have not smelled the fragrance. I have been waiting on smelling it. I got it like maybe 30 minutes ago, so. But this whole box just smells amazing. I just want you guys to know that right now. And this is called Butter Paradise. It smells like the beach. I need to go. We're just gonna kind of warm up my face a little bit more. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. I'm gonna swatch both these highlights for you. They feel so buttery. Like, I can't believe I just touched that. Like, look at this. We're gonna just do this together. Oh my gosh, Butter London. It's not Butter London. Physicians Formula. I don't know why I keep saying Butter London. Physicians Formula. Y'all did that. I'm gonna take this gold one because that gold one is like calling my name. I'm gonna take it on my F06 brush from Sigma that is clean finally. Nope, I didn't grab too much. I didn't grab enough. There we go. Yes. I'm obsessed with this. Like, make me glow all day long. I haven't heard much about these blushes, but I'm a blush fanatic, and I've seen powder come up, but this is a really pretty color. Ooh, and it blends into that color of this. Oh my gosh, you guys. This, you guys, definitely worth the $11 because each one of these is like $13, I think. So, and they're actually true to pan size. We're gonna take this chocolate palette from Profusion. And it's so pretty, like that green down here, like these green tones, it's like calling my name, but I can't use them. So let's just do a chocolatey brown smoky eye, and we're gonna go in with the shade called Gentle first, which is this color right here, and just set my brow bone area. Like, don't sleep. Y'all need to, if y'all haven't tried Profusion yet, like, y'all really need to. And I'm sorry, I just kind of burped into the microphone. It was like in my chest, so it wasn't like a true burp. Then we're going to take the shade Use, which is this color right here, and we're going to pop it all over. Why is my nose doing this to me? Remember, I used to do this for work all the time. Just like a normal little brown chocolate smoky eye, not too blown out. Switch to my, you know, Sigma E35. We're gonna take this, like, it's like a khaki brown shade. It's like called Likeable. We're just gonna take that on this brush and blend out the edges because that other way I was doing wasn't working out for me. Okay, we're gonna pop some more of this brown color because I kind of lost it. I'm just gonna pop it with my finger. Okie dokie, and then we're gonna take this color called Focus onto the lid. This is like a looked out way to work, you guys. I hope y'all know that. And then we're going to use the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, which I have been absolutely in love with. It can go clumpy really quickly, but it's like, I'm gonna do one eye and then show you guys the difference because, oh my gosh, I can't believe I just started off with this eye because I don't ever do this eye first. But yeah, that's the difference. If you guys can see, like, this mascara is something serious. And for lips, this is my second one of these. This is a Palladio lip pencil in the shade Natural. It's my perfect lip color. So I have two lip colors to choose from. One is CoverGirl, one is Buxom. I'm gonna go in with this one. This one's a demi matte. I really like these CoverGirl lipsticks a lot. Are we done? We are done, guys. So this is the finished look that I came up with playing with this makeup and just talking with you guys. And honestly, this is a look that I would wear to work if I just wanted to, you know, look okay, look a little bit okay. I really highly suggest this foundation. Like, y'all, go at least swatch it, you guys. It's like a really good formula, and I will keep you posted about what the longevity of this foundation is. I will definitely put a pinned comment or something in the description bar. Leave suggestions down below what you want to see next, and I will see you in my next video.